Hi everybody, this is Michelle and I'm here today to share with you a walkthrough of a project I just finished and I got really excited. So before I'm actually ready to do a tutorial, I really wanted to do the walkthrough and show you what I'm going to make. So the tutorial will be coming soon and I apologize that it's not available yet, but I will work on that and I'll get it out in the next couple days, I hope. This project was born from a couple different things. So it's December and it's already the 6th and I haven't even started my December daily, and honestly this year has been so weird and stuff. I'm kind of like not wanting to do anything super difficult, so I was thinking today that I wanted something really super simple to do for my December daily, just something like maybe like one picture or one sentence a day, whatever. And so I kind of came up with this idea, but I've been cooking this idea in my head for a long time because I got a couple different ideas in here. So I wanted to show you. It's another explosion board project, another explosion box, but it's really kind of fun and really kind of cool, and I just wanted to go through it. I do want to say and give a shout out to Graphic 45 because the paper collection I'm using, which is Let It Snow, let me show you, right here, Let It Snow by Graphic 45. I did get a prize package from them for a project that I submitted for one of their monthly contests, and I was drawn for that. So they sent me a beautiful prize package that included this paper collection, and honestly it's absolutely gorgeous. It's stunning. I just love it. So thank you Graphic 45 for that. I really appreciate it, and I made this project using it, and I absolutely love it. So in the collection I got papers and I got some die cut images, and I've got, you know, with the chipboard die cuts, and I got some journaling cards and all kinds of stuff, but I was able to use papers and some chipboard elements to decorate this box and go from there. Now I also used some products from Country Craft Creations, and y'all know I'm a designer for Country Craft Creations, so I did use some pom-pom trim from them. The artisan cardstock that I use throughout this is from Country Craft Creation, as well as foam tape and art glitter glue and all that kind of stuff. So with all of that, there was just very few things that I did from my own stash, such as this ribbon here, and there's an eyelet here, and some bling that I added, but that's what we're looking at here as far as supplies. So let me show you what it is. Again, it uses the explosion board, and we're only making one box with this, so it doesn't take a whole lot of paper. I did use, how much? I took a tally. I used 3 sheets of red artisan cardstock, and then I also used some green and some pearl sheen gold artisan cardstock for this. It only took about 5 sheets of patterned paper and then one little piece of chipboard at the top. So let's talk about that. So this top is actually inspired by Tamara Merrill from Country Craft Creations, the owner and our fearless leader, and she has done a couple boxes that had a raised you know, top on it that she loops a ribbon through and allows you to pull the top off. So that idea is hers, and I adopted it for this explosion box, and I used the pom-pom trim from that particular or from her store, and wrapped around underneath and popped it up with some foam tape that I did get from her store. And then I did an eyelet from my stash, one of those kind of wide eyelets I put through the middle of it, and I looped this ribbon through and then tied a bow around it so that you could actually pull the top off of this box. Now as you look at the box, this is the front of my box. This actually does have kind of a direction as far as the box goes. I used some of the chipboard pieces from the Graphic 45 collection and put them on the front because I did definitely want to make a front of the box, but the rest of the sides I left to kind of show off the paper. And I just love the colors of this. So the red and green and the blue is just gorgeous for Christmas colors and winter colors. The bottom here looks like that. All right, so then let's get started. So my idea for this was that it's going to be a simple December daily, and when you open it up, we've got a couple things going on. So I did, if you can see, a different way to do the corners, and when I do the tutorial I will show you how to do that and how to score that, and then also how to cut the pattern papers for that. And then I made accordion pockets that go on the sides. So there's 4 sides. There are 6 cards per pocket, and this is where I used my other colors of cardstock, and I put little tags in there. So there's 6 in each pocket, and then a little assembly in the middle. So I'm thinking 1 card per day, 24 days, and then the 25th day, which is Christmas, is going to be right here. So then you could, my thought is go in my calendar stickers and get the numbers. I can put a picture on the front, and I could write a little sentence or two about the picture on the back, put the number at the top, and then I have 1 little card per day, December daily, super simple, and easy to do. So that's kind of, I think, where I'm going with that now. It's day 6, so I got to get caught up. But this is my idea. So on the pockets, I did use some of the chipboard on there to decorate them, nice and simple. Okay, and then in the middle, I did a little kind of trifold closure piece. I used one of the cut-aparts that I got from the prize package on the front, and I just cut it down, and then I backed it with some pattern paper. And then it opens up to have a few pictures for Christmas. So I think there's 3 pictures that I can do for Christmas. These little edges here, these little lines came actually from the top of that journaling card. I cut those off to make this a smaller square, but I saved them, and then what I did was I adhered them so that, let me grab one of these cards here, so that you could tuck a picture underneath them like so. Okay, so on both sides. So I did that, and then it opens up again. You can put a couple pictures in here, and there's Christmas Day. And then I went through my stash. I had some really cute gold ribbon that I thought would be really pretty with this, and just tie a bow around that to keep that closed. And then on the front of this, I will again get my calendar stickers, and I'll put a little 25 in the corner somewhere so that everybody, when they look at it in the future, will know that that was Christmas Day. So that is my project. It's really super cute. I love the corners because the corners are they kind of explode a little bit more. They almost look snowflake or star shaped to me. So I thought that that was pretty cute. And they don't close, you know, inside the project too far, which is kind of nice. So if you wanted to do this for like another project and you wanted to maybe put, you know, some sort of figurine in the bottom or another gift box or something like that, they don't, the corners don't kind of encroach into there as far as the regular corners for an explosion box. So I like that idea. So that's it. And then it just closes like so. And there it is. So this is a, I'm not really sure what to call it. I think I'm going to call it my Accordion Pocket Explosion Box album. And again, thank you Graphic 45 for the prize package. I really love it, and I still have papers left over, so I'm, you know, super excited to be playing with those. And I will come back soon with another tutorial, and I'll show you guys how to make that, how to cover the corners, how to make those corners, and then you can have an album for your own. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.